Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be installing some LED headlight bulbs on GMC Terrain. This particular model doesn't have the port inside the fender well, so it's going to be a little bit more challenging to get to. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and also change out your fog lights as well. So let's get it going. Alright, so these are the LED bulbs I'm going to be using. They're the same kind that I installed in my Sierra. These actually have the fans and everything in them, so they're really nice. I've had the ones in my Sierra in for over a year and haven't had any issues with them. So I've been really pleased with this particular brand, especially as cheap as they are. But I'm going to have links in the description exactly where you can get these. And these actually look a little bit nicer than the other ones I had. They have like 4 LEDs instead of just a 2-sided one. So I'll get these installed and see how they look. From what I've seen, there's this little flap. You just take these little pins out of the top right here and then flip it up. So you would think they would have had enough room where you could get to everything, but the caps are way down in here. You can see them like right there, but you just can't quite get to them. So the only way I've seen to be able to do it easily is to take this panel, which they got 2 T20 Torx bit screws, or Torx head screws, and you got those, and then a couple little pins there. But I'm gonna get these taken out, but I'm gonna get those removed. That way we can actually get to the back of the headlight housing. See if I can get this position better. Let's see. There we go. That's pretty good. So let's get that removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. If you have a drill, that would be helpful as well. Being there's only 2, it's not very difficult. And then on these, they should have a little flat spot. Oh, there it is. Right there. And then just pop it out. There we go. There it is. Okay. This thing is kind of loose. I got a bug in my hair. Maybe not. Hopefully not. Come on. This won't be a little pain. Now it's out. There we go. It's got that out. So now you can just peel this back a little bit. Okay. It's got something down there holding it. Oh crap. Oh, okay. Alright, so they're 2 9/32 or whatever the equivalent is. So I'm gonna swap this out. Actually, I can't get it with that. Seconds. This should make it a lot easier to get everything. Yeah, probably get it by hand. Yeah. Alright, here we go. So I should be able to get that back a lot more now. Yeah, that's a lot better. There we go. Uh-oh. I guess I won't get too mean with it. Dang. Oops. I need to do that. Alright, so if you look, let's see if I can get my lights on. So if you look, now, let's see if I can get a shot in there. See right there, there's one of the caps for the light. So if I can just stick my hand in here, get really dirty. Right, there's the cap. There. So there you go. Just remove this cap. And then get to the bulb. Right there's the bulb. If I can get it to focus, just twist counterclockwise, and there it is. Here's your bulb. So that's all there is to removing it. These bulbs actually unclip right there, which I'm probably gonna need another hand. Up there it goes. So it's got a little clip on them right here. You flip back a little clip, and they come right out. So on these lights, they are polarity sensitive, and you can put them in either way right here. What you want to do is plug them up and then test them out, make sure you got them in the right way. Otherwise, then you're going to be having to do this all over again. So definitely test these out before you put everything back. So this is the other ones. Alright. So it's a very beautiful day here in North Carolina. Alright. Get these bulbs out. There it is. So this is the one I need for that one. do is plug it up and then test it out. Okay. Alright, so I got the bulb in. Hopefully, well, I don't think you can quite see it. Alright, so I got the bulb plugged in. Now I'm going to test it out, make sure it is in the right way. Okay. Alright, so I got it backwards. So what I want to do is unclip it, flip, it around 180 degrees, and this should be, it should be right now. If you can, hopefully you can see it. I think you can. Yeah, you'll see it. Oh, there it goes. Out of that time. So that's all there is to it. Then all you got to do is stick it back in. Stick it back in the housing. Rotate it clockwise. And that's it. Make sure your cable's back in there. And then screw on your cap. Okay. So there's the fog light. They're the same way. You just stick them in counterclockwise, take them out, stick them in. So these got some really nice LEDs on them. Really nice. I'm gonna test these out. See if they work. Oh yeah, that did it. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Just do all of them the same way, and I'm going to show you how they look when I get done. Alright, so that's how you do it. Got these bulbs in, and everything's working. FYI, if you do get some that are short. These were too long, I was unable to get the covers on, which it might be better anyway because of all the heat build up. It might cause some issues there too. But just to let you know, I'm gonna have links in the description of where you can get these and also some shorties. I'm gonna try these out, see how they do. If I start getting moisture in the headlight assembly, I'm gonna end up changing them out. But anyway, hope you learned a little something, and be a champion in everything you do. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.